Okay, this is a Metatrader newbie video. If you're completely brand new to Metatrader, this is version 4, so MT4. So what you'll do when you first install the Metatrader platform, you'll see windows like this. They'll come as 4 of these. Simple, really, just basic stuff like that. And then you'd want to right click on the screen, and then you've got options here. Take the grid off, zoom in. You see you've got keyboard shortcuts as well, plus and minus. If you want to change these to candles, it's up here. If you want to shift it right, you just go here. You want to change it to line graph. Say if you don't like it, how it's formatted, as follows: Windows, toggle vertically, or you could do horizontally, then double click, refresh, and so that's the window layout for you. Go to view, navigator, and here are your indicators and stuff that you download from market. If you want to add a new chart, you just right click, chart window, and there's the euro pound. Right click, templates. We will save some indicators and then save a template. So insert indicators, go to trend, moving average, 200. Change the background. So click OK. See the euro pound is way above the 200-day moving average. When it crosses below, then that's a bias change. But at that point there, you'd want to go long. So we'll go to insert indicators, trend, moving average, do 100. Change the color to blue. You can keep it to simple, moving average, or exponential. We'll keep it to simple. And at that point, you'd want to go long as well. So when price crosses the moving averages, they're your entries. And also you can do the line chart just so you can get the entry correctly. See there's a bounce there on the 200-day. It's only an hourly chart. But you can see what happened to price when the 100 crossed the 200. All the way up, and it's yet to cross back down too. Go to insert indicators, trend, moving average 50. Change it to, I don't know, red. And again, there's another long entry based on the moving averages. Price is crossed below the 50 on the hourly, which is interesting. Zoom in. So, and we can think of these as supports as well. But really it's a bullish case. Look at the lines, they're all pointing up. If we change the time frame, again there would be your entry at 86.16, and it's now 88.13, so it's 200 pips. Had you spotted that on the moving average cross. So that's on the 4 hourly. Go to the daily. There would been your point to sell on the daily chart at 88.67, which is interesting. Looks like that could be a resistance there, in that it crossed at that point. So if we keep a line on that for future reference, at that point there, at that point there, but we're way above. We're possibly going to get across the 50 and the 100, and that'd be bullish. Now obviously there's some resistance here too. So insert shapes, rectangle. You can change the color scheme on this, but we know this is going to be a formidable resistance up here, the supply, that line there. So once you're happy with how it looks, right click, template, save template. We'll call it moving average cross, save. And we'll go to say the Aussie yen, right click, chart window, right click, template, moving average cross. There you go. And we see the moving averages that we created in the last pair. The Aussie yen had a significant cross there, and at that point you'd want to sell. So, and there's another cross here too. This is the hourly. So had you've gone there, entered at that point, 79.16, it's now 75.70. So that would have been a good point to go short using the moving average cross. Again, 79.09. So at this point here, with that crossed, you'd reap a lot of pips at that point. Shapes, rectangle. So yeah, that spike coincided with that, which is interesting. Can you see? So yeah, it's a lot of pips there. That's about it from the templates perspective. And also just really from a newbie Metatrader guide. I think I covered the basics, how to save template and apply indicators. Have a good day.